What's up guys? Magandang umaga po sa ating lahat. Ngayong umaga, we will be having another meaningful activity which is inspired by our SDS Dr. Sheila Marie A. Premisillas together with our PSDS in Manasipiki 2, Dr. Candra E. Pinoliar, together with Madam Eme Rose D. Pundok, our school head. So our safety is our number one priority. So upang tayo maligtas hindi lamang sa krisis na dala ng COVID-19, kailangan din nating paghandaan ang mga kaligyan tulad ng lindol, baha, and volcanic eruptions at marami pang iba. Pero paano nga ba natin pinaghahandaan ang mga ganitong sakuna? Siyempre, kaakibat ng ating paghanda ang pagkakaroon ng survival kit sa ating bahay. Ano-ano nga ba ang dapat na laman ng ating survival bag? So tara na, tayo maghanda upang maligtas sa sakuna.
Oops! Akala nyo gagala ako, no? Of course not! Naka-quarantine pa rin tayo, remember? So, ganito yung get-up natin kasi ang gagawin natin ngayon, tutulungan namin kayo mag-prepare ng inyong survival bag. So, number one item is the backpack. Basically, mas maganda po ang backpack because it's very handy and ready to go. So, first we need water. Drinking water, dahil alam naman natin that we can survive more days with water than solid food. But of course, kung meron tayong solid food, better. But make sure that these are non-perishable or easy to eat, like candies and biscuits. We also need a emergency blanket, which is multi-purpose. Pwede rin po siyang protection from heat and cold weather, and sleeping kit, especially pag may baby po tayo kasama. Kailangan din po natin i-secure ang ating mga important documents like birth certificate, marriage certificates, and diplomas. Dahil pag nag-normalize na yung situation, we all know how hard it is to provide these papers. So, it will also be helpful if we have our umbrella, which will protect us from the different weathers. Of course, we need our first aid kit, which contains your medication kung meron po kayong tinitake na gamot, sanitation, and of course our face mask. You may also want to include your personal hygiene, especially pag nag-evacuate po tayo. Very useful ang personal hygiene dahil isa sa mga makakatulong sa ating mag-survive is being physically fit and clean. So, meron din tayong rope na makakatulong sa atin in situations, in emergency situations, especially if we are in the wilderness. Kailangan din po natin ng illumination, like flashlight. Pero mas maganda po kung ito ay rechargeable or eco lamp and solar flashlight. So, kailangan din natin ng signal mirror. In case we are trapped in the wilderness, the cell phone, because we all know that our cell phone is very multi-purpose. Marami po siyang kayang gawin. Nandiyan na po ang compass, ang location, our map, contact, and others. Evacuate tayo. And a power bank or extra battery. Kailangan din po natin ng fire starting kit like match and candle to include our extra cash, which includes our identification cards. And in case mag-normalize na yung situation, at least meron po tayong financial source. And pag may mawala yung ating bag or tayo mawala, at least ma-identify po kung ano tayo and saan tayo matatagpuan. My rosary. Being a Christian or a Catholic, the rosary is my source of strength and faith na everything will pass. And actually, marami pa po tayong kanilagay sa ating survival bag.
So ayan guys, gaya nga ng sabi ng ating expert, ligtas ang may alam.
I am ready.
I am Rod,
I am Mike.
and we are always happy to